Como se ha dicho y sabe todo el mundo, desde hace algo más de 6 años mi vida cambió, no para bien, sino para mejor. Elena es divertida, cariñosa, dulce, atenta. Ni en 1.000.000 de vidas podré volver a tener la suerte de encontrarme a alguien como ella.
Then hang it up, you think that makes sense? Tell me what it takes for us to shake so we could be friends. It's time for us to take our separate paths. We had a lot of laughs, but the good things come to the pass. Let's make it an even break, don't make it scandalous. Trying to be mature and pretty sure that we can handle this. You're saying I'm too busy, I ignore you. I guess you didn't hear me when I said that I cared for you. But now it seems the arguments are nightly. I wanna hold you tightly, but instead you wanna fight me. So why let it stress and aggravate me? Instead I'd rather break, hope you don't hate me. You tell me that you love me, but you're lying. Fighting back the urge to start crying. I wipe away the tears coming hungry. I love you like you love me, girl, but don't you trust me?
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.